Hey everyone, I am Zishan and welcome back to the Supply Chain Insider. We bring the supply chain experiences and knowledge to our viewers in YouTube channel and to the listeners in the podcast. Today we are diving into the world of AI and optimization products used and implemented in various parts of supply chain. But with a twist, we are tackling the real world challenges that team, users and technical product managers face every day. The supply chain solutions development team and manager's goal is to deliver a fantastic user experience and solve real business problems comprehensively. That means looking at the bigger picture, not just individual features. There are significant effort being made in the advancement of a core algorithm. Yet much of the implementation success end to end has got to do with the challenge that we are going to talk about today. With the convergence of Gen AI, optimization, simulation, and cloud microservices, these challenges are increasingly getting solved. But there are still hurdles to overcome. Let's jump into four key areas that we have prepared and noted from the industry experts. Challenge number one: explainability. Imagine using a super powerful tool but having no clue why it recommends something. That's the frustration of users who don't understand AI decision. We need them to know why option A and not B, or what factors influence the outcome of C. It might seem obvious, but if users cannot grasp the why aspect, they won't adopt the tool, rendering all our hard work pointless. Thankfully, efforts like counterfactual modeling and the AI agents are showing promise in explaining the AI decisions. These are definitely areas to keep an eye on, and we have included some resource in the show notes for further exploration for you all. Now, let's talk about the challenge number two: parameter overload. Effective input parameterization is crucial for optimal front-end user experience. However, increasing use cases and parameters in larger scale supply chain leads to complex front ends and poor user experience. We employ grouping strategy, for example, 80-20 rule, but due to increasing complexity, future is to solve it with a combination of machine learning and optimization techniques. There is actually a really interesting paper on this topic presented at ISMP conference, and we have included the link in the show notes. Just for viewers who don't know about the ISMP, it's a conference on mathematical optimization that gathers scientists from around the world to present and share the most recent advances and development in the field. The last conference was held in Canada in July 2024. Now let's come to the challenge number three: garbage in and garbage out. This is a classical problem. Now this one is a bit different from the explainability. Let's say you get an unexpected result from an AI or optimization tool. In our experience, at least 30% of the issues are related to the input data issue. Now you want to trace back the input data to understand what went wrong. But often, one is stuck navigating complex log systems, a major time sucker and a trust killer for any tool, impacting everyone from business users to scientists and engineers. And here is where the large language modeling could be a game changer. Imagine an LLM based agent that can consolidate all those complex logs into a clear, concise summaries. That would be a huge win. Now let's go to the challenge number four: optimizing in the face of variations. Decision tools, especially in supply chain, struggle with the constant flux of supply and demand. We have made strides in forecasting, but perfect prediction remains elusive. This has a huge impact on the optimization solutions to solve the logistics network problem. After all, what good will be an optimized solution if the demand and supply itself was not accurate? The real challenge lies in developing tools that can optimize decisions even under volatile conditions. Personally, I'm fascinated by the work of Warren Powell on sequential decision problem. Additionally, I'm impressed by products offering from the like of Next Move which allow for rapid deployment and multi-scenario run, a great way to tackle variability challenges. Again, the detail I have provided in the talk show. These are just a few of the real world obstacles we face in optimization solution of the supply chain. Remember, there is a beautiful virtuous cycle at play. Academia invents a new algorithm, and companies translate those innovation into a powerful tool. But companies also encounter challenges in implementation, which fuels further academic research. It's a constant loop of progress. Therefore, in summary, delivering a seamless and end-to-end experience for AI and optimization products and supply chain faces challenges like explainability, parameter overload, data quality issues, and handling variability. Ongoing innovations must focus on solving these problems while developing robust optimization algorithm and highly trained LLM models. By addressing these areas, these products can provide a trustworthy and widely adopted experience for users, unlocking significant business values. So, we would love to hear from you. Share your experience with AI optimization in supply chain. Let's keep this conversation going on and push the boundaries of this exciting field together. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on supply chain. And if you found it valuable, consider leaving a review. It helps the show reach a wider audience. Thanks for tuning in.